And now here's Matt Taylor.
Thank you very much, Charles. Good morning. Here's the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 0505 on Sunday the 3rd of March. There are warnings of gales in Viking, South at Sierra, Forties, Cromarty, Fisher, Biscay, Fitzroy, Seoul, Fastnet, Shannon, Rockall, Hebrides, Bailey, Fair Isle, Faroes and South East Iceland. The general synopsis at midnight. Low Hebrides 992, expected 50 miles west of Bailey 988 by midnight tonight. New low expected West Seoul 984 by same time. The area forecast for the next 24 hours. Viking, North at Sierra, South at Sierra, Northeast 40s. Easterly or southeasterly 6 to gale 8, but 3 to 5 in Northeast Viking and North at Sierra. Showers, good, occasionally poor. Southwest 40s, Cromarty, Forth, Tyne, Southwest Dogger. Easterly or southeasterly 4 to 6, but 7 or gale 8 at first in Northwest 40s and Northeast Cromarty, becoming variable 2 to 4. Occasional rain, good, occasionally poor. Northeast Dogger, Fisher, German Bight. Easterly or southeasterly 3 to 5, increasing 6 to gale 8 in Fisher, becoming variable 2 or 4 later elsewhere, fog patches, moderate, occasionally very poor. Humber, Thames, Dover, variable 2 to 4, occasional rain, good, occasionally poor. White, Portland, northwest 2 to 4, backing south 4 to 6 later, showers, good, occasionally moderate. Plymouth, Biscay, westerly 6 to gale 8 at first in South Biscay, otherwise northwesterly 3 to 5, backing southerly 5 to 7 later. Thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Fitzroy, Seoul, northwesterly becoming cyclonic 4 to 6, increasing 7 to severe gale 9 later, occasionally storm 10 later in West Seoul. Rain, good, occasionally poor. Lundy, Fastnet, Irish Sea, west backing south 3 to 5, backing southeast 4 to 6 later, then increasing 7 or gale 8 later in Fastnet. Showers, good, occasionally poor. Shannon, northwesterly backing southeasterly 4 to 6, becoming cyclonic 7 to severe gale 9 later, occasionally storm 10 later in southwest. Rain, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Rockall, Malin, Hebrides, Bailey, cyclonic mainly 4 to 6, but 6 to gale 8 at first, except in Malin. Rain, good, occasionally poor. And Fair Isle, Faroes, South East Iceland. Easterly or northeasterly 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 in South East Iceland, veering southeasterly 5 to 7. Rain, good, occasionally poor. And now the weather reports from coastal stations for 0400. Tarry Automatic, east northeast 4, 24 miles, 995, falling slowly. Stornoway, east 4, 13 miles, 997, falling slowly. Lerwick, east by south 5, mist 4 miles, 1006, falling slowly. Lookers, east southeast 3, 6 miles, 995, falling slowly. Bridlington, southwest by south 3, 997, rising slowly. San Letty light vessel automatic, northwest by west 2, more than 27 miles, 997. Jersey, west 3, 16 miles, 999, rising more slowly. Scilly automatic, northwest by west 4, 12 miles, 1000, rising. Valencia, northwest 4, recent rain 10 miles, 1000, now rising. Ronaldsway, west by south 3, 993, rising slowly. And Malinhead, north by west 3, 13 miles, 994, rising slowly. That brings me to the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours and issued by the Met Office at 0500. The general situation: a complex area of low pressure currently lying over northern parts of the United Kingdom will move away northwestwards during the course of Sunday, although showers will continue to affect some places. Another Atlantic frontal system will move in from the southwest during Monday, bringing further rain to southern and western areas. From Cape Wrath to Rattray Head, including Orkney. Easterly 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 at first in north, veering southeasterly 4 to 6, decreasing 3 or 4 later. Rain then mainly fair, moderate or good, occasionally poor at first. Rattray Head to Berwick-upon-Tweed. Southeasterly 3 or 4, occasionally 5 at first in north, becoming variable 3 or less later. Occasional rain, then fair, good, occasionally moderate. Berwick-upon-Tweed to Whitby. South 3 or 4, becoming variable 3 or less, fair, moderate or good. From Whitby to Gibraltar Point. Southwest 3 or 4, becoming variable 3 or less, fair, moderate or good. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland. Variable 3 or less, becoming northwesterly 3 or 4 for a time. Mainly fair, but occasional rain at first near eastern Norfolk, good, occasionally moderate. North Foreland to Selsey Bill. Variable 3 or less, increasing 4 at times, mainly fair, good. Selsey Bill to Lyme Regis. Variable 3 or less, becoming southwesterly 2 to 4, backing south 3 to 5 later. Showers for a time, good. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly. Northwest backing west 2 to 4, then backing south or southeast 5 to 7 later. Showers, good, occasionally moderate in west. Land's End to St David's Head, including the Bristol Channel. West backing southwest 2 to 4, then backing southeast 4 to 6 later. Showers, perhaps thundery at first, good, occasionally poor at first. St David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St George's Channel. West or southwest, backing south 2 to 4, backing southeast 4 or 5 later. Showers, good, occasionally moderate at first. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway. Cyclonic at first in north, otherwise southerly or southwesterly, backing southeasterly later 3 to 5. Showers, good, occasionally moderate at first. Isle of Man. Southwest backing south 3 or 4, then backing southeast 4 or 5 later. Mainly fair, good. Loch Foyle to Carlingford Loch. Cyclonic 3 or 4, becoming south 3 to 5, backing southeast 4 or 5 later. Showers, good, occasionally moderate. From the Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and the North Channel. Easterly or southeasterly 2 to 4, veering southerly 3 to 5, then backing southeasterly later. Showers, good, occasionally moderate. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point. Cyclonic 3 or 4, becoming south or southeast 3 to 5. Showers, good, occasionally moderate. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath. Easterly or northeasterly, veering south or southeasterly 4 to 6. Rain then showers, moderate or good. And finally Shetland Isles. Easterly or southeasterly 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 at first in southwest, decreasing 4 at times later. Mainly fair, then rain at times, moderate or good, occasionally poor. And that brings us to the end of this morning's shipping bulletin. Got a general forecast for the rest of the UK coming up in just a few moments' time.